The global economic uncertainties have increased manufacturers' difficulty in meeting unexpected requirements and competitiveness, demanding increasing automation and smooth internal coordination. ERP is the solution addressing these challenges. Manufacturing ERP acts as an integrated solution for managing end-to-end business processes from shop floor to top floor that includes resources, operations, monitoring, reporting, sales, accounting, finance, and more. A manufacturing ERP system offers deeper and advanced capabilities to meet manufacturing-specific requirements and automate core manufacturing processes, thus improving the efficiency. A comprehensive list of features manufacturers should look for in their ERP. Supply chain management, product lifecycle management, production management, management of materials/resources, MRP, asset management, order management, project management, quality management. Focus on transportation essentials. Industry requirement, discrete/process manufacturing. Finances and manufacturing accounting. ERP systems enhance a manufacturing business's organizational efficiency through accurate production planning, improved inventory control and synchronization across different distribution channels. If you want to know more about ERP software for manufacturing industry, please feel free to contact us.